Hey everyone, today we're diving into one of the smartest appliances for modern kitchens, the steam oven. These have been trending with chefs, health-minded home cooks, and kitchen designers alike. But why? Let's break down what a steam oven really does and why it's worth considering for your next kitchen upgrade. If you're not sure what a steam oven is, a steam oven uses moist heat, not dry heat like a traditional oven. Water inside then turns the oven into steam, surrounding your food with gentle, penetrating heat. That difference makes a huge impact on how food cooks, tastes, and performs nutritionally. There are a couple different types of steam ovens if you didn't know. First, there's the plumbed, and this connects directly to your home's water line, just like a dishwasher or fridge with an ice maker. And this is going to mean you're never going to have to fill the water manually. It can generate steam continuously, and it's ideal if you plan to use steam, especially for long cooks or you're a frequent user. And then there's the non-plumbed model, sometimes called a reservoir tank steam oven. These have a removable water tank that you fill by hand, like filling a coffee maker. It's flexible as you don't need to plan around a water line. It's also ideal for those who do occasional or short cooking sessions. Our first benefit to steam cooking is the most important, and that is retaining nutrients and flavor. Traditional heat can degrade vitamins and minerals, especially vitamins C and B, but steam retains for more of that goodness because food isn't being blasted with high heat or submerged in boiling water. Your veggies stay vibrant, your meat stays juicy, and the flavor comes through clean and natural. The second benefit is healthier cooking with less fat. Steam ovens also help you cook healthier meals because moist heat keeps food from drying out. You don't need as much oil or fat to make things juicy and flavorful. That's huge, especially if you're cutting calories, watching your fat intake, or cooking for a heart-healthy lifestyle. As an added bonus, steam ovens can also handle sous-vide style cooking by maintaining precise low temperatures with consistent steam, giving you restaurant quality control. This means perfectly cooked proteins that stay incredibly tender and evenly done from edge to edge. It's a cleaner, more efficient way to achieve the best possible results every single time. Our third benefit, steam ovens can be faster and more efficient way of cooking. Not to mention, it can cook many foods faster and more evenly than dry heat, especially delicate proteins like fish and vegetables. Some steam ovens combine steam with convection heat, called Combi-Steam ovens, to give you the best of both worlds, speed, moisture, and even browning. Our fourth benefit is the versatility. Don't think steam ovens can only steam vegetables. A Combi-Steam oven gives you a ton of cooking modes, like steam, convection, browning, or a combination of all without flavor transfer. You'll be able to steam grains and veggies that stay crisp and colorful, roast meat so they stay moist, reheat leftovers better than a microwave, even bake breads and desserts with a soft interior and a crisp crust. It's like having 3 appliances in one. And this is one of my favorites. The fifth and final benefit is reheating and defrosting. Instead of nuking food in the microwave and ending up with dry, rubbery leftovers, a steam oven reheats with moist heat, bringing back texture and flavor. It can even defrost food gently and evenly. No partially cooked edges here. The big takeaway for steam ovens is it will preserve nutrients and flavor, it reduces the needs for oils and fats, it cooks faster and more evenly, it expands your cooking versatility, and it reheats and defrosts better than a traditional method. That's not just convenience. This is a smarter, healthier way to cook. If you ask me, steam ovens are more than a trend. They're a kitchen game changer for anyone who cares about flavor, performance, and cooking healthfully. Drop a comment and tell us what you cook first in the steam oven. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you want more kitchen tech breakdowns.